car-related mechanisms that are probably the most magical thing I've ever seen. I mean, you have to control the car with your mind, so let's see about that. We want to interview you. Oh no.
Probably him.
Him? Okay, I can take him. Hello.
Hello.
We need to talk to you because this looks like magic, and we in your booth we are seeing what is this? We want to know. This looks literally somebody with a mind, with the power of mind controlling a car. So can you explain us and our viewers on YouTube Live?
Yeah, sure. So basically, there is a race of two cars, and the cars is raising not only how much you press the car, but on the mind power. So basically, the more you are concentrated, the faster car will go. And in addition to that, you can also tune your car speed depending on what exercise you have chosen before. So you can do the backend API quiz or just ordinary quiz and so on. But all in all, it's just on the based on the concentration level, and the more you are concentrated, the faster you go.
Yeah, I can understand that, and it sounds like magic still. So how does my concentration change the speed or even the fact that the car moves? How does it work?
Yeah, actually, it's a good question. There is a sensor on your head, and it gets like 5 different electromagnetic impulses from the sensor, from your head, and then it calculates the meditation and concentration level. So it's like a black box, but depending on how much you are concentrated, the more energy will be provided to the track, and then the car will go faster.
Okay, I can imagine that, and we will probably need to try it a little bit later. I see somebody's doing something. Can we check, Mr. Cameraman? Now, this guy, I think, yeah, this guy is thinking so hard. Like, tell me just one little thing. How are you moving the car?
Trying to think a lot, and that's how the car is moving. So.
What thoughts?
Yeah. What?
What thoughts are you thinking?
Just how to drive faster. And she doesn't move at all.
Okay, so the car doesn't move. Apparently the guy is not trying hard enough. Anyway, we're having a lot of fun around us. Welcome back to our studio, and well, I'm standing in the company of very serious men. This one especially, I'm pretty much scared of him.
Kidding?
No, I'm a little bit scared of you. But anyway, so what are you representing? Who are you, and what's happening?
Hello, my name is Algis. I am a data engineer at SEB company. And next question.
Okay, so what are you representing? That was the next question. I actually gave you a freedom to speak for 10 minutes, whatever you want. So use the time.
Nice to hear. We would like to tell you about our publish subscribe platform at SEB and how we are using it. So yes, as a distributed messaging system, we are using Kafka. A Kafka cluster is installed across 3 data centers. All the communication between client and our Kafka brokers is encrypted. And another one very interesting thing that we implemented anomaly detection against our Kafka server logs. And now I'll pass on a word to my colleague Kęstutis.
Hello. So
You can handle.
the main reason we have built this stuff is actually to ensure the stability of the platform, and of course because we are lazy. Because normally administrators do all the work when reading the logs and analyzing it. So now we let the machines to do all the hard working. So currently what we have under the hood basically is 3 machine learning algorithms. It's a Markov chain, isolation forest, and autoencoder, and they basically decide whether the activity is anomaly or not. And in the future we also plan to do some prediction when the server is crashing, and we have some work regarding this as well. So that's basically it.
Good.
Your colleague? Something?
Yes, Loinas will tell about another one very interesting topic, very short, how we are doing ETL.
Yeah, so we are using this NiFi system for our ETL. NiFi is a very good tool for distributed data processing, and it's very simple to use. It has a very comfortable UI for troubleshooting and data processing tasks.
Okay. Thank you. And if we need some more information or somebody got extremely interested, where we can find something more about this?
Our table is straightforward from here. Please contact us. We are more than happy
Obviously.
to tell more.
I think that's one of the most popular booths in the build stuff because of the magic and the car and stuff. We will remind the audience. Anyway, maybe somewhere on the internet, maybe calling somebody. What if I'm not in build stuff conference?
Okay, then we will contact you.
That's scary, I told you. I'll find you and I'll call you and I'll contact you so hard about it. Okay, I got it. So let's talk about the booth. I think I should talk to you about the I'll move myself. Okay, thank you. Hello. Nice beard and so on. In general, how successful do you think was your booth in Build Stuff Conference? I mean, you have the mind-controlled car racetrack that I still think is magical, but okay, maybe some people who know technology a little bit better than me understand it better. But anyway, how is it?
I guess it's going well for us. There are lots of people interested in racing and lots of competitive stuff. We have prizes every day, so lots of competition going on. And also lots of people are interested in the technologies, not only between handling the car, but also the ETL process and how we process the data and visualize them. So all in all, I guess this year was a success for us.
I think it was. And I think it's really, honestly, one of the most interesting, things to see if you're coming to see something in exposition. Anyway, any last words, thoughts, or anything sweet? You can talk about cats if you want. I don't care. Anything you want to say before we move on to Lucas, who is in exposition zone, ready to talk to Danscape?
Thanks for good feedback, and please use your last chance to race.
Actually, I haven't tried yet. It was always busy, and I should do that.
Let's go.
Actually, we will go. So yeah, cutting off. Let's go to Lucas.